Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video was created in collaboration with Canadian YouTube beauty creator Glo Empress. We partnered together to recreate this look of unknown artist which we found on Pinterest. And that's the final look of Glo Empress. I encourage to visit her channel. I will put the link in the description box and you will be able to see how different the same look can appear on different kinds of beauty. Okay, let's back to my tutorial. It was obvious for me and Glo Empress that this look should be made with Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I've already primed my lids and applied this neutral shade called Unity all over my lid. Now I'm applying black crayon from Maybelline to make a good dark base for applying black shadow, and I'm trying to blend this crayon in outer corner but not too precisely. I'm also darkening my upper waterline. I'm sorry for lightening in this film. I had a problem with light adjustment that day and I decided unnecessarily to combine ring light with natural light, and hence these problems. Next step, I'm packing black shadow called Obsidian on this part of eyelid where I applied this crayon, and I'm blending, adding and again blending to achieve satisfactory effect. I'm trying to extend blending towards my temple a little bit. On my brow bone, and to blend the end of this black color even more, I'm applying light shadow called Snow Day from New Year palette from Too Faced, and again blending. In a moment I will be applying Sphere from Prism palette, and to bring the color out I'm priming the inner and center part of eyelid once more with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And now I'm packing this sphere color on such prepared part of eyelid, trying to blend these two colors together to avoid any obvious transitions. The lighting has just changed, sorry for this. Now I'm pressing Lucid eyeshadow on center part of lid with dense flat brush. This step will also compensate for any inadequacy in blending and give more seamless look. In case of such kind of shadows, fingers are irreplaceable. The glitter from NYX in shade Crystal is here this frosting on the cake, and I'm applying it on glitter primer, also from NYX, in the form of triangle in center eyelid. Now false lashes. These are from Kiss brand and it is midnight shape. As always, I'm dividing them into several parts and I'm applying such prepared clusters. Lower eyelid. First, I'm blending the same black crayon as on the upper lid. I have very sensitive eyes which hate any products on lower waterline, so you can see my eye a little bit irritated. Next, I'm applying obsidian shadow and trying to blend it with angle brush and with the use of Unity color. In inner part of lower eyelid, nothing cutting edge, just sphere shadow. And now both eyes are ready. To hide my natural lashes, I'm applying a little bit of mascara. It is Sephora Outrageous Extension Mascara. I skipped through applying foundation, setting and contouring because I had nothing new to show. I'm referring you here to my other videos. Please see the card in the right upper corner. Now I'm finishing blending the lower eyelid because concealer destroyed this work a little. Here I'm priming lower lashes with Dior 3D Maximizer. And applying the same mascara. Next, I'm highlighting my cheekbones, my forehead, my nose with Vibo Illuminator. And the last step, as far as lips, I'm using two products from Golden Rose. First, matte Crayon lipstick number 19, and then soft and matte creamy lip color in shade 105. And I'm cleaning the edges. And yes, that's how I recreated this look. It is my interpretation, and again I'm referring you to the channel of Glo Empress to see how she interpreted the same look. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Please share your comments and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye!